Yicheng Automation was established in 2007, which located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, enjoying convenient transportation and a beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 14,390 square meters and more than 300 employees. A reliable partners of Global 500 companies specializing in non-standard automated assembly solutions. AOI Solutions and industrial multi-axis robotic arms in areas of auto parts, electric products, micromotors, cooling fans, medical products, etc. The R&D ability, production scale, and service of Yicheng are as an important position in the non-standard automation industry. In order to get continuous improvement in R&D ability and provide better service to customers, Yicheng builds a production, study and research cooperation relationship with many domestic institutions. We adhere to the development, manufacturing, and selling of safe and stable automation equipment and make great efforts to develop new technology to meet different requirements. Yicheng aims to help manufacturers who, looking to transfer the manual assembly processes to automated assembly by machine. Our automated solutions are designed to streamline the production process, improve productivity and quality, and reduce overall costs. With the fast development in automated industry, Yicheng owns 2 self-built plants in Ningbo and Shaoguan, and put into production in 2023. Yicheng Automation, your most reliable strategic automation partner.